Black holes are enigmatic celestial entities characterized by their immense gravitational pull, capable of trapping even light itself. Typically located at great distances from Earth, these dark matter-devouring entities are often distant enough not to cause immediate concern. However, the focus here is on a particular black hole known as Gaia B1, which stands out due to its proximity. Gaia B1 is an enormous black hole situated just outside our solar system, a mere 1,600 light-years away from Earth. While this distance might seem vast in everyday terms, within the cosmic scale, it is remarkably close compared to other black holes documented in astronomical records. The uniqueness of Gaia B1 lies in its relative proximity, providing astronomers and scientists with a rare opportunity to study a black hole up close, comparatively speaking. This proximity allows for a more detailed examination of the gravitational effects and interactions with surrounding cosmic matter, contributing valuable insights into the nature and behavior of these mysterious cosmic phenomena. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. What's worse is that we didn't even know about it until now. Despite Gaia B1 being 10 times more massive than our Sun, we couldn't see it. Scientists usually discover these monstrosities by spotting the gas that a black hole feeds on. These hungry giants are called feeding black holes. However, Gaia B1 isn't anything like that. This black hole is dormant, hiding in the darkness, patiently waiting for the galaxy to throw some cosmic matter to feast on. But there's one thing that gave away Gaia's presence. Most star systems in the universe are binary, meaning they have not one but two stars orbiting each other. Our black hole neighbor is also part of a binary star system, except instead of two stars, this system has one star and one black hole. Gaia B1 was disguising itself as a star, but even though this monstrosity doesn't feed on any gas or matter yet, it still couldn't help but jiggle its star counterpart a little. Nice try, Gaia, but we still caught you. Out there in space, there are black holes a lot scarier than Gaia B1, and some are so bizarre that they shouldn't even exist. A team of scientists discovered an unbelievable black hole and gave it the melodic name of One. The weird thing about this black hole is that it's just too massive to be true. At 70 solar masses, it's too enormous to be a stellar black hole, yet it's too tiny to be a supermassive one. Scientists were scratching their heads trying to explain this phenomenon. Some theorized that it might not be a single black hole, but two black holes orbiting each other, while others guessed that Old One was born of a gigantic star that was still in the middle of becoming a black hole. Well, the answer was simpler than we thought. Old One isn't a black hole at all. It's an optical illusion caused by two rare stars orbiting each other, making it a unique star system to stargaze. But when scientists said they found an improbable black hole, well, they were wrong. The good news is that Old One didn't upend our understanding of black holes after all. Now that doesn't mean that black holes can't blow your mind. Remember the one at the center of the Milky Way? Yeah, it's called Sagittarius, a star, and it's as massive as 4.5 million suns. But there's always a bigger fish in the universe. Sagittarius, a star, might be the most massive monster lurking in our galaxy, but it's not even close to some of the really big players out there, like TON 618. This black hole is devouring matter 10 billion light-years away from us. It's as bright as 140 trillion suns, so bright that it outshines its own galaxy, and its mass is 66 billion times that of our Sun. TON 618 is horrifyingly big. When scientists discovered it, they began to wonder if even more massive black holes were possible. Of course, the name supermassive wouldn't do bigger black holes any justice, so astronomers came up with a cool name for them too: stupendously large black holes or slabs. And then they found one. Move over, TON 618. There's a new gargantuan black hole in town. This stupendously large monstrosity sits at the center of Phoenix, a galaxy around 8.5 billion light-years away from us. It's almost impossible to imagine how enormous this thing is. Scientists think it has a mass of 100 billion suns, more massive than some galaxies out there, and it won't stop growing. The event horizon of the black hole at the center of Phoenix A is described as incredibly vast, spanning a diameter roughly 100 times the distance between the Sun and Pluto. To put this in perspective, it signifies a colossal gravitational influence, rendering it an immense cosmic entity. To illustrate the enormity of this black hole, the scenario is presented of traveling across it in a SpaceX Starship. Remarkably, this hypothetical journey would demand an astonishing 2,500 years to traverse the event horizon. Fortunately, despite its immense size, this gravitational behemoth is situated at a considerable distance from our solar system, alleviating concerns of it posing a threat to engulfing our celestial neighborhood. However, the narrative takes a turn as it introduces two additional supermassive black holes that are not as distant. While located a significant 500 million light-years away from Earth, the proximity is emphasized in cosmic terms. These two black holes are not just distant astronomical objects, they are also on a collision course with each other, adding an intriguing and potentially cataclysmic element to the cosmic narrative. Despite their immense distance, the concept of these celestial bodies being relatively close in cosmic terms underscores the vast scale and complexity of our universe. Seriously though, we don't know exactly what happens when two supermassive black holes collide. We've never observed a full merger of supermassive giants. Scientists think that they'll dance around each other for about 200 million years before finally becoming one. But this would be a violent marriage. As the black holes spiral together, they'll send enormous gravitational waves through space, waves so big that we'll be able to detect them from our planetary neighborhood. But that's not the scary part. Mergers like that happen all the time, and right now, the Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. When our two galaxies become one, what will happen to the supermassive black holes at their centers? Will they merge too? Would an event like this tear everything in its vicinity to shreds? This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.